Hey y'all, I'm so sorry that it is so late in the day. I had a meeting at central office, but I'm back at school now and I'm going to try to help alleviate some of the issues that you all are having today. Um, First of all, I forgot to um, copy the courses from my second period to my third, fourth, and fifth. So the reason you couldn't access your stuff was my fault. I hope that I have all of that remedied. Um, but if I don't, we will get it fixed. Okay. The other thing is Cami. In order for Cami to work at home, okay, you have to be able to add it as a Chrome extension. Okay. So what I did is the Cami links are posted in Schoology, but I also emailed you the Cami link this morning as well. Okay. So what you're going to need to do is the easiest thing is going to be to check your email. All right. So you're going to log into Gmail and then check your inbox, and you should see where I sent you an email this morning. I sent it at, let me see when I sent it. Hold on just a second. All right, so I sent it this morning at like 9:43. Okay, you have to add the Cami extension to your home computer in order for it to work at home. Here is the link. If you will just click on this, it is going to pull you up to, hold on just a second. All right, it's going to pull you up to this right here. Mine says remove from Chrome, but that's only because I have already added it to Chrome. Okay, yours should say add extension, and you're going to click on that. And once you click on it, you're going to follow the steps that it asks you to take. And once you add it to your Google Chrome extension at home, then you should be good to go. Okay. All right. So for today, we are going to log into Schoology, and you are going to take, let me log in first and go to this class. All right, so what I want you to do is go ahead and click on Second 9 Weeks, Module 6, November 30th through December 22nd, okay? Click on Tuesday, December the 8th. The first thing we need to do is DGP Week 7, all right? So go ahead, click on that. Open assignment with Cami. If for some reason you can't get your Cami to work, that's fine. You have a paper packet, write it down. If you have access to technology and you can do it in Cami, I would much rather prefer you do it in Cami, okay? But if you can't, it is not a big deal. The first thing I want you to do is go ahead and put your name on this, okay? Because if we print out your work, then I need to be able to give it to whoever did it, okay? Now, we're gonna go ahead and do Monday and Tuesday just because we didn't do it we didn't do Mondays yesterday, okay? So on Mondays, we have to identify the parts of speech for each word in your sentence. We visited Seattle, Washington on our vacation. We. All right. Can anybody tell me what we is? It is a pronoun, P-R-O, and it is first. Nope, it is third person. All right, visited. Okay. Action verb, past tense. ED lets us know that it is past. Now, Seattle, Washington. This is one big noun. Okay. Is it common or is it proper? It is a proper noun. And I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to put these little dashes on the side of it. That way I'll know that it goes for Seattle and Washington. Okay? All right. Now on. This is one of those words that you had to memorize. Preposition. Our. Third person pronoun. Possessive pronoun. Okay? And then vacation is a person, place, or thing. It's not naming anything specific, therefore it is a common noun, and we put a what on top of it? Little n. All right? Tuesday. We have to underline the subject once, the predicate twice. Okay, so who is this sentence about? I want to go to markup, and I want to click underline. I'm going to underline the subject once. Okay, so the subject of this sentence is we. All right. Now, what did we do? We visited Seattle, Washington on our vacation. So we underline visited Seattle, Washington on our vacation twice. Now, in order to get my second line down there, I'm going to go to Shapes, and I'm going to go to Insert Line, and I'm just going to drag. Okay. We visited who, or we visited what? Seattle, Washington is our direct object. Okay. Being we have a direct object is our verb, transitive or intransitive? Transitive, so we're going to put VT. Now, on our vacation is a prepositional phrase. So we need to put that in parentheses. Your parentheses is the 9 button. You will hit the Shift plus 9, and that'll give you a parentheses. You need to close your parentheses. Shift plus 0. Okay. Now we need to identify our object of the preposition, which is going to be vacation. So OP. Remember, a direct object and an object of the preposition will always be a noun or a pronoun. Okay, now, does on our vacation describe where we went, or describe the vacation, or the area, or does it tell when or where we went? We visited who or what, when or where? And I want to double check something. Tells when we visited. Okay, it tells when we visited, so it is an adverbial prepositional phrase. Y'all, and I did mess up on these pronouns. All right, we is a first person, and our is a first person. Okay, that is my mistake. I don't know exactly where my brain is at today, but obviously not where it needs to be. Okay. The only other thing we need to do to this sentence is identify the simple subject, and so that is we, and we're going to write or type an S above it. Okay. And that is all you need to do for Monday and Tuesday's DGP. And it should save automatically in your Google Drive or in your Cami. You can make sure autosave is checked. You can click Save Now, and we can just make sure that you have it. And then you can exit off of that. Okay. Now, you need to go to go back to Tuesday, December the 8th, and I want you to take Wordly Wise Lesson 6 test. Now, you should be able to click on that at this point and everything work fine. If it's not working, shoot me an email or a private message on Schoology, and I will get back to you, okay? When you finish your test, you are going to go ahead and start on your quad cards. I have given you a word list here, and the word list is also in your packet. Your quad cards are here, or your template. You can do it in Kami. If you can't access Kami, you have a paper packet at home that you may write on, okay? Whatever works for you. I would prefer Kami, but I understand that we're in the middle of a pandemic and you have to work with what you have, okay? I'm trying to think of any other questions I really had today. Kami is obviously the biggest issue. Make sure you add it to Google extension. If you're working on a phone or a tablet, more than likely Kami is not going to work, okay? I think it requires for you to be on a computer or a Chromebook or something of that nature. I'm not 100% sure on that. If you have any questions about anything else that you need to do, all you have to do is email me and I will get back to you as soon as I can, okay? Good luck on your test. You may use whatever you have, and I will see you tomorrow on video a little bit earlier than I'm seeing you today. All right?